Hey guys, welcome back to Design Dreams. My name is Arshdeep Singh and today we're going to learn a powerful AI to Figma workflow. You can use this workflow not only for AI tools but also to get any designs from the web and import it into Figma. So let's get started. Right now I am on Lovable.dev. It's a prompt-based AI design tool that helps you create user interface or any web-based design. For this exercise, we're going to create a landing page for Italian pizzeria with the help of a prompt. One thing to understand about prompting is that as much detailed you are, more precise output you will get from AI. So we'll see what it means in action. Let's write our prompt. Create a landing page for Italian pizzeria. First, we are describing what exactly we need. Now, I'm going to start describing the structure one row at a time. In the first row, create a hero image with the image of fresh Italian ingredients like tomatoes, mozzarella, basil, etc. Also write engaging text to convey freshness and authenticity. Please excuse the spellings. AI does understand spellings quite well, even if you make mistakes. So this is just the first row. I have described what I need in first row and also given more details what exactly has to be there in the first row. Now you can repeat the process for as many rows as possible. Now we're going to create few more. In the second row, show the credentials of the chef and his awards. In the third row, show interiors of the pizzeria. And finally, in the fourth row, show the location and the booking form. Once I have described everything that I need row by row in the website, now I'm going to describe the aesthetics of the landing page. The look of the landing page should have colors of Italian flag and the page should convey luxury. Alright, so the prompt is done. Now we're going to press enter. The thing with Lovable is that you get 5 credits every day. With 5 credits, you can make about 1 or 2 landing pages. And if you want to make changes to one landing page, that means by the time you make second or third change, your credits will be consumed and you will have to wait for the next day. Okay, the design is now complete. Let's review what it has created for us. The hero image. Okay, it has all the ingredients as we wanted and some text. Of course, you can change the text as you need when you bring your designs into Figma. Details of the chef, the ambience, the interiors of the pizzeria, and it has also listed some of the key features of the pizzeria. And then finally, location and book a table form or request reservation. So that's great. Now what I want to do is I want to import this into Figma. For that, you need to now install one extension for Chrome and a plugin in Figma. But before you do that, make sure you click this button which says Open Preview in New tab. What this is going to do, this is only going to display the designed landing page, not the UI for Lovable.dev. But because when you use the plugin, the extension to capture this design, it will not capture the UI for Lovable. It's only going to capture the landing page. The design is now loaded in a new tab. Let's jump into the extension. And the name of the extension is HTML2Design. First, you make sure that you go to Chrome Web Store and download this extension. Just type in HTML2Design. I have also added the link in the description. Since I have already installed this extension, I don't need to add it. So you will have this button at this location. Just simply press it and it will be added to your Chrome. Let's jump back to the design. Since I have already installed the extension, it's present here in my extensions bar. I'm going to click it. And when you open this extension, first you have the viewport options as to what dimensions you want to capture. You can select as you require them. And the second important thing is you want to select, do you want to save your capture in your computer or you want to directly send it to Figma. In our case, we want to send it to Figma. So let's click this button, capture current page. This extension not only downloads or captures your desktop version, but it also captures the mobile version as well. Okay, the capture is now complete. Now we're going to jump into Figma. Before you do the capture, you want to make sure that your Figma HTML2 Design plugin is installed. To download the HTML2 Design plugin, you can go to this link which I have already provided in the description. And here you can select this button which says try in. And this is going to ask you as to which file you want to open this plugin. Since I have already installed it, so I don't need to install it again. I'm simply going to go back into Figma. And from here, I'm going to right click, select plugins, and then select HTML2 Design plugin. Once this plugin is open, go to extensions. In extensions, you will see all the captures that you have done using this plugin. Please note you're only limited to 10 captures per month. Since I have already used quite a lot of them, I am only left with 2 captures. Now, to import the design, I'm going to click this download button. And here I can select the options as I need them. You can use auto layout or not if you want. Since auto layout is quite useful, I'm going to click use auto layout. Create local styles and variables. Okay, we can use that. Use existing local styles. Since we do not have any styles in this file, we'll ignore that. And then finally, we'll ignore hover effects, high resolution. High resolution is a pro version. Add hyperlinks. Since we do not have any links, we'll ignore that as well. And now click add to canvas. Okay, there's a warning which says I am only left with 1 capture. As I mentioned earlier, you can only do 10 captures in 30 days. Let's close this warning and see the design. Alright, so there we have it. Our design is now imported and now I can start making changes. Everything has been stylized so that if I want to create more pages, I can simply use these styles that have been created by the AI, or I can make changes as I see fit. Everything here is well organized in auto layout and structures, and you can see different dimensions for each design. Desktop, mobile, and I think it has created a duplicate for the mobile, which is okay. We can delete that. We don't need it. So you have 2 variations. Let's open the desktop variant. You have links, you have main body. Open main body. You have section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4, and section 5. Pretty well organized. And you can use this technique to download any website from the web and directly import it into Figma. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.